Hello everyone, welcome to Statistic Analysis. So in a previous session we'll be moving to understand the statistic analysis. So today we'll be going towards to the thinking of the world of your types of statistic analysis. We started with the first analysis which known as predictive analysis. Basically this predictive analysis, it's known as to do the prediction for the future or prediction for the any data. So predictive is nothing but we are doing for the prediction purpose. So with the help of prediction we can predict the things with all the data should be structured or data should be unstructured, ordered, unordered list. That's not a matter for them. It's just predict the full real data. It's just predict all the data what we are taking in. You can take the data with the help of .csv file or JSON file. So with the help of that we can predict all the data on that. So basically if you take the data or prediction data analysis, it is used for statistical algorithm or machine learning techniques or else on data science techniques. Basically those type of analysis is used in your all the data analysis where or data science where we are moving towards to think of the data science world, like when the data will be talking. Till now the data is nothing but a raw fact, but now once we are coming to the predictive analysis, data start talking, means our data with the help of those particular raw data we can tell that yeah, this is what we are doing with the analytics way, this is what we are plotting a graph in the particulars way in the particular then. So this is what how the analysis algorithms are historical data, behavior, future result, we can predict all those type of data. With the help of this predictive analysis you can use the variety of technique like your data mining, modeling, AI, machine learning, data science. So all those future generations, like what the futures wanted, that is the future wanted the technique of your data mining, the modeling, then we need a AI, artificial intelligence, the data science, then machine learning. All the concept was going towards to the predict the analysis. So for that we need a model, right? So the model is known as a prediction model. So this is what exactly the predictive analysis was doing it. They just predicted how it will be. Suppose now what happened, the COVID-19 is going on, so how we are using the prediction model in that, or how we predict it. So those exactly are predictive analysis. Let's move to understand the prescriptive analysis. So this is also another type of analysis we call as a common area for business analysis. So basically whenever you use prescriptive analysis we call as business analysis, like whenever we are having a lot of data which is taken from the business perspective, like your stock market data, then we are having how many stocks we purchase for your particular company, how many you need to sell it, and then comes to the business perspective, like you want to purchase some fields on that, so how you need to go ahead the next year, what will be the amount of that particular field. So those prospective areas, those real-time particulars data, we use a prescriptive analysis to find the optimal recommendation. So basically we need to find the optimal analysis or optimal recommendations for the decision making process. So here what happened, you can take a decision, you can make a decision to find out all the optimal thing. So for that particular optimal analysis we use a prescriptive analysis. Now there is another analysis called casual analysis. So basically this is a casual way, just how we are talking about the casual, right, the normally. So this analysis also, it will be not depend upon your the things like you need to go at the particular data sets. You can use any type of data set, casually you can analyze it, you can go ahead in that way. Just you need to follow some restrictions, follow some rules on that, like the two analysis you need to go ahead, the shorted, unshorted data will be in a which type, is it a clean data or you need to clean it, those particular things you need to take it, then only you can do the casual analysis. Basically in a business there is a lots of events are going on which will be success, which will be fail. So to do that analysis you can use a casual analysis, or you can go with any basics rules on that, like common practice of industries, major disasters, IT fields, you can use all those time this particular your casual analysis. So this is depend upon you what exactly the analysis you want to do it. So let's move to the last analysis type, that is your descriptive type or descriptive analysis. So this is descriptive analysis is an important part, play a role in an analysis, because a name as well, this called as descriptive statistic, which is used to describe the features of all the information, or the summarized way it will give you the way to find the quantitatively description. Means here what happened when you analyze it will be the descriptive way, what exactly, how, when, in which way you done that, everything will be done there. You can do the group wise, you can do the populations group, it's depend upon you how you need to modify one by one. So descriptive means the full process, it's a full process, so it is taken as a full process whenever you use this particular descriptive analysis. It takes a full process on that. So whatever the process taken as, it takes all. Take as example, in a school or in a college, there is a lots of teachers are working there, right? So if you find the average of that particular data set of all the teachers, you can go with your all the teachers, like how much salary they got, which subject they go ahead, everything you need to go ahead with the all things, like which year they join it, from where they join, which subject they did done PhD or they just done the masters and they come, all the descriptive thing will be there. You need to analyze each one part, like small to the last part. So that is what a descriptive is used for. So when you got those particular things, we call as descriptive analysis, because in a descriptive analysis we are going to all the small concept, where you will be learning that how the small concept are used in a real world, or how the small words can be explained the way of writing. So this is what the 4 type of analysis in statistical. There is a lot of types are there. You can go ahead with the different types in analysis. The main motive of all the analysis is nothing but to just find out the proper data and find out the way of the proper data to used in a another way to understand how it exactly is used, or is it in that way or is it in another way. You can do the plotting of all the different perspective. So this is what the statistic analysis talk for. Thank you.